What's up, and welcome back to Vibe with V. We are now vibing. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Greek chicken salad. I had some leftover chicken that I wanted to get rid of, so I wanted to whip up this Greek salad real quick for you guys. A mosquito. Hey. I love this salad because it's super easy to make, and my homemade dressing really takes it up a notch. So if you want to check it out, follow along. First, we're gonna go ahead and chop up our lettuce, rinse it off, and then we're gonna mix everything up. So I went ahead and rinsed it, try to dry it. I typically use, just a few paper towels and try to get a lot of that moisture out. You don't want a soggy salad. Let's go ahead and put it in the bowl. Okay. I like to cut up my tomatoes. I like English cucumbers in my salads. I don't cut them and I don't peel them, but if you prefer regular, go ahead. So let's go ahead and chop these. Now look at that. Isn't she a beauty so far? Now we're gonna get the feta, my favorite. I like to crumble up feta. Just get your hands in there, crumble it up. It's okay. We can wash our hands after. I love feta, so we're doing 4 ounces. So I'm gonna go ahead and put all of this inside, but I'm going to leave maybe about like half a teaspoon so we can put it in our dressing. And now for the dressing. And then I'm gonna add my salt, pepper, and oregano. Then I'm gonna put 2 cloves of garlic. And then our feta cheese that we held back. I like these nice and fine. Then we're just gonna go ahead and shake it up. Yummy, yummy. Let's go ahead and taste it. Taste for salt. That's perfect. It's a little zingy from the garlic, but I love it. So then we'll just go ahead and mix it in, mix everything up, heat up our chicken, and then we're good to go. So I went ahead and threw in yesterday's chicken in here, and doesn't it just look so pretty? I like to make it look all pretty, even though I'm just gonna destroy it mixing it up, because honestly, I just love the experience of cooking. You got to enjoy it. You got to do things that make you happy for no reason at all. It really comes out in the food. So I'm gonna just enjoy this a minute, and then we're gonna mix in our homemade dressing. Make sure we shake it up, and then I'm just gonna pour about half. Now we're gonna mix. I don't like my avocado to get mushy, so I add it at the end after everything's nice and coated. This smells amazing. Now avocado. I'm all for this. So excited for this. Yes. Look at that. I'm ready for this. That's so yummy. Dressing is so easy to make, and honestly, it takes your dish up by 10. If you try it out, let me know. I love to see your guys' recipes, especially when you guys make them your own. It makes me so happy to see that you guys are taking my recipes and just feeling comfortable with cooking new things and putting your twist on it. So you have to try this one out. I'm telling you, the dressing is gonna blow your mind. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a like or subscribe to my channel for more recipes like this one and hit that notification bell. That way you get notified every single time I post. Thanks for vibing. I'll see you soon with a new recipe. Peace. I got lettuce in my mouth.